Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Mr. Hippo. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you, sir?
Pretty good. Just trying to make sure everybody can hear me. Robin, you hear me?
I can, yes, sir.
And Sheila, you're muted. Let me unmute you. Okay. I assume she can hear. That's right. She's having issues with her. Okay.
Sheila does not have a microphone.
That's right. I remember that. Yeah.
And so she'll listen in. So if you need her, she'll listen in.
You can chat with me or come in. Okay. I guess we're waiting on the other parties. So we'll give it a minute here. So are you up in Austin, Mr. Hemphill, or where?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So did y'all get snow?
We did. We got about an inch and a half, but it seemed like 12.
Oh, my
Most
kids.
snow
I'm sorry.
most we've had since 2004.
Yeah, I think the last time we actually got some snow then, and my oldest daughter never really got to play in it. But the school didn't let them go out, but let my youngest daughter, who's my middle child, go out. And so they were all excited. Oh, look at me snow. And then it didn't make it. so we're a little envious, I guess. But hey, between you and me, I don't like snow. I don't like cold at all.
Yeah, just for me, it just kind of came out of nowhere. I wasn't paying attention to the weather reports.
Okay. Yeah. And we're still working on some things. And I'll tell everybody else when they come on as well. But I have a new computer. And so we've had issues with that. And then I'm in this new beautiful building, and the lights go out on me on occasion because if I don't move enough. And so you might see me doing a crazy dance here in a little bit. But
All right.
If the lights go out, no, it's not your imagination. I did go dark. But other than that, we're rocking along.
I guess, Your Honor, typically these don't take too long, but I did want to inform the court that I've advised that I've got a 10:15 tax hearing in Dallas County and a 10:30 tax hearing in Dallas County. So
we should move it along pretty good. I see the judgment's been signed by you and the intervener, and I only see a general denial from Mr. Richardson on behalf of the defendants. So, I mean, they might not even show up is my guess. I don't know. But we'll see what everybody kind of has to say, but I'll try to move it along for you. But it would be nice if other people would show up. Hey, you know what? Sheila, do you, I know you can't hear me, but Robin, you said your invitation was delayed or something? We might want to check on that with the other people.
Okay, I'll have Sheila check on that. Mine was forwarded by Sheila.
I've just resent it again.
And Sheila just told me that she's resent the invitation to everyone. So they may pop on in a minute.
Okay, that'll work now.
In case
Y'all
there was an issue.
I should have known y'all already had it.
Your Honor, could you tell me, please, who you show filed an answer?
Let me go back. I got Odyssey over here to my right. Let's see. You'll bear with me. I think I'm on the right case. No, I gotta get in the right case. Sorry. I thought it was. So you don't have an answer?
Yeah, I'm just reviewing the judgment and the documents, Your Honor, and I'm showing that the defense in the case one is Donald Sowell.
Yeah, I think that's. I think
Did not.
Lee Van Richardson's on this case. That's why I thought there was an answer. Oh, you know what? I got a problem. LGS. Yeah, it's a Grimes County case, and I'm in Waller County, and Odyssey's up and running, but LGS isn't. So they can look for me. If you'll have Sheila, print. Wait, you know what? I might have it here. Hold on. She's already printed stuff out. Yeah, we're still trying to figure things out here. I apologize for that. Yeah, defendant's original answer was filed on September 4th of 2019. The attorney is Lee Van Richardson.
And for what party is that, Your Honor?
That is for Donald Yeah, so. Oh, I'm sorry. And let's see, individually as registered agent and I think he representing both. Are they husband and wife? I'm not sure. Defendant Sowell individually as registered agent of 290 West LTD, Beatrice Sowell. So he's representing both of them. Named defendants in the above entitled call. So he's representing both the, I guess all three. He's representing them, Donald and as registered agent and Beatrice.
Your Honor, I apologize then because the judgment that my office, apparently our records indicate that there was no answers. So this is why I'm a motion for default judgment.
Well, that's okay. We can just, we can proceed. And then obviously if, we'll see if they show up. Let's see who's on here. Okay. Other people are here. Let me admit everybody else. Okay. All right. Let me wait on the district clerk's audio. Hold on just a second. Yeah, her audio is kind of slow. Mr. Burnett.
Yes, sir, Judge.
Do you represent the interveners in this case?
No, I have a hearing tomorrow. I think this was just a test for Zoom, or that's what I thought.
Oh, no, actually we're live on a trial, a bench trial we're getting ready to do.
Okay, well, I'll get out of here.
But it works.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, that'll work. Okay, so, well, Mr. Hempeller, were you aware if the intervener was going to appear? Or I guess not, if it was a default.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the intervener. I know the interveners, typically they do to present their evidence, but our judgment that we haven't submitted to them was signed. But I'm going to be candid, Your Honor. I'm looking and I don't see. My staff certainly prepared this up, worked this up, Your Honor, under the assumption that it was a no answer default.
Well, I think I have a copy of your notice. So, there was an answer filed, but we need to look at, let's see, notice of hearing. Oh, if you didn't have an answer, there's no way you noticed them out properly. That's your problem.
Yeah. Could I get this reset, Your Honor, please?
Yeah. Let me. Unfortunately, Sheila can't talk with you right now. Let me give me a minute, and I'm gonna run in there and see if she can give me a court date for you. And
thank you, Your Honor.
And then we'll just pass the hearing for today. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I apologize to you, Your Honor.
No, believe me, I've been practicing as a practicing civil and criminal attorney for 28 years. Things just happen. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, but still, if you want to object to that. Oh, really? He said he's supposed to come tomorrow. But I actually was with one of the interviews. All right, let me see what's going on. Okay, let me bring in, evidently Lee Van Richards somehow had notice, and he's, I'm going to bring him in, and then I still don't see, according to my staff, there's a, okay, let me see, she said that the gentleman that I got off the thing was supposed to be on here, so I don't know what's going on. We'll figure it out together. Hold on, let me admit Mr. Richardson. Oh, there he is. Okay, good. Okay. Mr. Richardson, can you hear me?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay. And I apologize. I know I've been introduced to you, sir. Your name again?
Keith Treadway.
Treadway. Yeah, I couldn't remember that. I'm bad with names, so y'all have to bear with me in the future. But I'm sure we're going to see a lot of you in the future, so we'll get it squared away. Okay. And obviously, I'm not Judge Albert McKeag. That's at the bottom of my name there, but we're still working on getting me. We've had some crazy things going on. The first Zoom hearing, they sent me over the new computer, and we tested it with microphone and everything, and we had no sound. And we figured out, we had to go through Zoom, and we got that going. And then we're in a new building, and so they have not gotten the lighting correct. So every once in a while, it'll go dark, and I have to wave my hands to get the lights to work. So it's been kind of an adventure the last couple of days, but it's been fun. So I've been really enjoyed doing this. But with that said, Mr. Richardson, something came up before you got on. Evidently, you had filed an answer, but Mr. Hemphill was not aware of that. And before we go on the record, I just wanted to see if there's going to be, have y'all reached an agreement? I know the intervener has signed off on a judgment, but you were never given that. So kind of where are we status wise?
Well, I'm here. I mean, Ovation stands in the taxing entity's shoes, which kind of makes them as strong as the IRS, I guess. I'm pretty much here just to report back to my client what happened. If there's any space to reach some kind of agreement, they certainly want to try to do that. But
okay, well,
I don't know if that's possible
are
at
you
this point,
willing,
or whether they can take their judgment.
are you going to be willing this morning without them present to agree to waive notice?
Without who present?
With your clients. Because my understanding,
I guess if they have not been noticed, then if they have not been noticed, then I can't waive it.
Hold on. Lee Van, we might have to have you call back in. You're really delayed and it's hard understanding. But my understanding.
Yeah, my internet's really slow, but I'll hang up and call back.
Okay.
Well, before he does that, Your Honor.
Hold on, Lee Van. Go ahead, Mr. Hemphill.
Yeah, I just wanted to say I am all the file I have from Mr. Richardson. I don't have a copy of your answer, and so the judgment that's been prepared and signed off by both the plaintiff's counsel and by intervener's counsel does not have your signature block. And so I'm going to suggest two things. One is, Your Honor, if you could reschedule this for as soon as possible, and then Mr. Richardson, if I could give you a telephone number for your client to reach out if there's any attempt whatsoever that your client can work out a modification. I know my client, if your clients can be serious, my clients will entertain, but I would like to get it as soon as rescheduling as soon as possible. But that number, the name of the contact is Kimberly Maxwell, and that number is 737-434-8910. Your Honor, if that's okay with you, that's what I'd like to do.
I'm fine with that, Mr. Treadway. Any?
No objections.
You're okay. So I assume, Mr. Richardson, you're good with that as well?
Absolutely.
Okay. Before I let you guys go, let me see if we can maybe, or you know what? I have all your information. I'll just have Sheila send you a new, do you want to wait, try to work it out and then request a hearing date? Or do you want us to just set it?
I'm going to have pressure on from my client, Your Honor. So if we could reset that as soon as possible.
Okay. Let me do this. I will get with my staff, Sheila, and I'll have her get out a new setting to you guys. That'll work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Well, that was quick. Nice meeting everybody. Good seeing you again, both Mr. Richardson.
And good luck on your new endeavor, Judge.
I appreciate that. I do.
Congratulations.
I tell everybody, I make the joke at newbie school, and I think I may be offending my new cohorts because everything's COVID. But they asked me first, I had a senior judge, and there was 10 of us. They asked me first, how are things going? I said, man, in the immortal words of Keith Urban, who wouldn't want to be me? I got new courthouse. I got a great older judge that's walking me through. Great staff is still there that walks me through, and I didn't realize how really good I had it, because after I made those statements, everybody behind me was like, well, I'm in an old crappy courthouse. I don't have any staff. I beat an incumbent. Nobody wants to help me. I can't even get into my computer. So life is good, man. I cannot complain. So, but y'all have a great day. And yeah, we'll get this on the next docket we can, and we'll get you guys squared away.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Judge.
Your Honor.
That's good. Yeah.
Have a great day.
Thank you.